Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can store your Karcher SC3 nice and easily. So you can see this now will fit into a cupboard much nicer, much more portable than everything thrown around the place. So let me unravel it all and then we're going to show you how to put it together. So this is it apart and you're probably going to be using it like this to do the floor. So what we're going to do is undo that bit from there, undo that bit from there and undo this bit from here. We're going to put this on this bit here, like so, and we're going to place this one into one of the holes here, and we're going to place that one into one of the holes there. We're then going to get the nozzle, put it on there, and we're going to get this one on here. It doesn't matter which way around it goes. With this one, you can put on the end here, or you have these little parts here that you can just rest it on. When it comes to this is going to slot into here. So we're going to swivel this way round, so it looks like it's the wrong way, and we're just going to wrap the hose pipe round, around, and we're going to be putting this part into this part here. So that slots down into that back bit there. You can now see that that's locked that part away. And now we're going to get the cable and we're just going to wrap it round here. Not too tight. And then if you're using this once a week or once a month, this is going to take up a lot less room in your cupboard, like this. And it looks nice. And then you can just drop the plug in the middle there, like so. So that is it. You can see now it's portable. It's not going to get trapped everywhere when you're trying to bring it out from under your stairs or your kitchen cupboard. And then when you come to use it next time, don't worry about unraveling everything. Just take out that there, and now you've got your plug there, and you've got this ready to go here. So it's nice and straightforward. Thanks for watching.